Hello guys, my name is Manoj Biswas and I am a soldier of Viral Army. So friends, we have received such questions from our social media platform is what is Viral Army and what is the main objective of the formation of Viral Army. So today I would like to clarify all these questions. So the first question which we have received is what is Viral Army? So I would like to say that Viral Army is a brand which comes under Dignity Soldier Securities Private Limited, and the Viral Army's main objective is to generate employment among the youths. The company was formed during the lockdown period, into which everybody locked themselves into the rooms as per the government's order. So we have three friends. I would like to say their names: Mr. Rahul Kumar Sharma, Mr. Rohit Sharma, and I myself, Manoj Biswas. We decided that we will not lock ourselves into the rooms and we will work for our company. So we have decided that we will create a company which will provide jobs to the youngsters. And the Viral Army is formed from a small town of Kalimpong, which is also called the land of orchids, which lies into the state of West Bengal, and most of the people used to visit here as a tourist. This is a tourist place and we doesn't have any such company which is started from here. So our target is to develop our local area Kalimpong as well as our North Bengal, and we are going to generate such employments for the youngsters of our own local area. And the second question which we have received, so what is the object of Viral Army? So I would like to say the main objective of Viral Army is to generate employments among the youngsters. Either he is a male or he is a female. Viral Army is working towards the security guard services. I hope you all see this. There are so many security guards who are working at the shopping malls, school, colleges, hospitals, and many corporate sites. So Viral Army is same like that. We will provide security guard to those companies or corporate bodies. So our main objective is to secure those people who are seeking a third person who will secure their property. So Viral Army is forming to build the safety and security, as well as we will connect with the lots of youngsters by appointing them as our job holders. So guys, we all know that India is suffering from unemployment, and our target is to reduce this by generating job opportunities. And I also would like to inform you that our country is a developing country. Why? India is a developing country because we have middle class peoples, and the middle class peoples are those who are not richer and who are not poorer. But in this lockdown period, I saw that the rich people is getting richer and the poor is going towards poorer. So the target of Dignity Soldiers, or we can say Viral Army, is reduce the gap between the rich and the poor, because if a country have lots of unemployment, country will be developing. So to fill that gap, we are going to work. So how? We will provide jobs by which unemployment will reduce, by which the country's economy will grow up. So our target is not only work in a local area. Slowly we will provide our guards to state level. After that, our main target is to reach the national. So if we penetrate into the national market, so lots of people will join us. After that we can create lots of jobs, and then we will help in the economy of our country. We will pay tax. We will give them salaries. They will pay tax from their salaries. by which slowly we can help towards the economic development of India. And our main mission is our main mission is to generate job opportunities, to reduce unemployment and increase social economic stability. Viral Army is working towards its documentation process. We can say we are under process. So after this lockdown, our documentation will be start. So by which as soon as possible we are targeting to reach all the documents by which we can came into the market. So guys, we need your support, we need your help, because you are our backbone. We will barehandedly we cannot do anything. So we need your support and your suggestions. If you want any more details about the company, about the jobs, about the sectors for which we are working, you can send your questions to us through our social media platform which is given below. So thank you.